Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update. And yeah, this is going to be the second part of Bitcoin because today we talked about it in the morning, but I just want to give a very quick comments on what Bitcoin is about to do. All right, so we talked about how Bitcoin, went to the upside, met nearly the technical target out of that 4 hour time frame chart that I actually showed you. But on the 4 hour time frame, because I did roll out a update in the morning when I was rudely interrupted by Siri, by the way, we did have this kind of 4 hour bear flag right now. So this is the bear flag that we're playing out. So what I'm gonna say here is that you did came down. I'm just gonna remove this, Fibonacci right there, and all you did is you went to the downside and made a bear flag just like this, and this is a bearish pattern, so you're gonna have to take this top to the bottom right here. This is where you're breaking out. So Bitcoin is actually looking to go to 37,860. Okay, now based on that Fibonacci retracement as well, that could have been like taking you below the one, which I guess is nearly taking you down to the 1.272, right? So yeah, be careful in this case, and that's the only quick critical update that I just want to bring out for you. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you the next one, and do check out my trading course, 18 hours of contents. Allah Hafiz.